Welcome. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use NuGeotrack. So first, if you have an Android device, you're going to go to your Google Play Store, as you can see here. So I'm going to go in there, then you're going to search for NuGeotrack. As you can see, that's there in my history. So it's NuGeotrack, NuGeotrack. So I'm just going to highlight that. As you can see there at the top, there it is, NuGeotrack. So you can just click on it. Then from there, you're going to install it. It's a very small app, so it should download quickly. As you can see, it's only 8.69 megabytes. So it's installing there. So I'm just going to go back to the home screen. As you can see, just wait for it to install. As you can see, successfully installed. So I'm just going to click on it and open it up for you guys. Let's see, let's open it up. This will then be the home screen that you will log in with your details. As you can see at the bottom, I've already been registered, but when you open it up, this will be the home screen. So you will basically register your number. This will also be the same number that Provantage have, and they will contact you or your internet or your provider that will use or allow you to use NuGeotrack. So as you can see, I can edit this and then I can enter it. As you can see at the bottom, please make sure that that is correct. From there, you're going to go into clock in and clock out. As you can see at the top there at the bar is enable logging or clock in. I'm just going to show you guys. If you go to, I'm just going to switch off my location for now, just to show you guys. So as you can see, if you don't have your GPS or internet on, it's not going to allow you to do this. As you can see, it's going to ask me to enable it. So I'm going to go in and enable that. As you can see, I'm going to agree, and that should be fine. Also, when your data is off, it will also prompt an error. As you can see, it's highlighted there. Please enable data or Wi-Fi. So I'm just going to go back and enable my data. As you can see, that works. From there, you can click on the clock in, and that should clock you in. As you can see, it's going to ask you, do you want to allow access? Always press the allow button. As you can see, so on this will be the home page. As you can see, always go and check on your first entry to see that the status there shows GPS true, enable true, and network true. That means that your location is allowed and NuGeotrack will work. As you can see at the back end, it will say location service activated. So from here, you can just go back, close, go to your home screen, and NuGeotrack will be running in the back end. Also do this on your way to your store when you're going to use NuGeotrack, and after your shift, if you've exited the store, still leave it on. Just maybe if you're a few hundred meters or a kilometer away from the store, then you can clock out on your system. So when you want to clock out, you can just click there. It should take you back to NuGeotrack. You can just click there, and then you can go to the top edge there and clock out. Then you just can go back out of that and at your home screen, and as you can see, NuGeotrack is disabled. So that is for the NuGeotrack training. If you've got any questions, you can comment in the YouTube link if you're watching this through YouTube. Otherwise, you can just ask for the Bizeff Consultants.